So there's a lot of people who ask, how does probate work in Utah? I mean, when do I have to go to probate? I mean, there's a great link, and you're going to have this in the description box below. But basically, Utah uses the same forms for every county in the state. Probate is basically when you have an estate that includes real property. It's like a land, house, condo, mineral rights. A lot of that would be water rights of any value, or the net worth is worth more than $100,000. And it goes to probate if you did not have the estate in a trust. The court will end up appointing a personal representative that's going to contact heirs, creditors. They're going to collect and pay taxes. They're going to pay debts. They're going to distribute the proceeds to the heirs. And again, a lot of times this is going to involve real property, real estate. And, some families try to keep it in the family. Sometimes they rent it out. Sometimes they sell it to an investor. Sometimes they hire a real estate agent and put it on the market. Luckily, I do all of that. I can help you with property management. We do invest, and then we also will put this on the market. It's a really easy thing for us to do. Now, if you have an estate that's worth under $100,000, well, that's what this is about. And you'll notice there's a difference between informal and formal probate, okay? Formal probate is when there's a disagreement basically amongst interested parties, family members typically, and they want to have a hearing to appoint the personal representative, as opposed to just the court doing it without a hearing. This is the information on how to file, when to file. Really, you cannot file with the court until 5 days have passed since the decedent's death. That means the estate, the person who owned it, they've passed away. And it has to be filed within 3 years of the date of the decedent's death, okay? Where to file? It's got to be done at your local district court for the county. I do most of the help I provide for probate is in Salt Lake County, but I also can help in Davis County, Tooele County, Weber County, Utah County, really just about anywhere in Utah. I would say just about any county in Utah. Even if there's a will, you may still have to go to probate just because there wasn't a trust. That's the thing, is the estate has to be in a trust. You can read all this on your own. If you want to get a probate attorney, which you don't have to do, but I always would advise it, I can recommend one to you. But the biggest thing I can help you with, guys, is, are you looking at selling the house? Are you looking at trying to flip it? Are you looking at trying to put it on the open market? Let me know. Send me an email, a text, comment below. You can call me. My information will be here at the end, but I'll have a few more videos about probate, probably answering some of these questions, but this is really the long form way of video to answer all these questions that you'll see in the description box. And it's kind of the title of this video, how probate works in Utah. I do want to show you one other website that I think is very, very, very helpful. Okay. And I'm just going to go back to sharing my screen. Okay. And we're going to go to Utah Probate Solutions, or I think it's just, yeah, utahprobate.com. And this is a lawyer's website. You can contact him. I'm not affiliated with him, but there's a lot of great information here. Because of the great information here, I think it's a resource worth looking at. It's a great resource to look at. Now, if you aren't in the middle of a probate case, I really think you should look into getting a trust. You need to do some estate planning. Even if you're young, healthy, if you've got a house, you've got to get that house and the estate into a trust to protect yourself. You don't want to go through probate court. It's too much money. You're going to lose part of the inheritance. You're going to lose a lot of time. And sometimes there's, lawsuits. I just spoke to a lady earlier today. I mean, they want to sell the house, but it's a big lawsuit amongst the family members. There's nothing can be done about it right now. So if you need anything, So if you need anything, just give me a shout. Okay. My contact info is below.